Don't give me any of that garbage.
But
You're in league with her, aren't you? You've come here to check out our security.
Actually,
Well, what have you got to say for yourself? Give me one good reason why I shouldn't arrest you right now.
Pa, why don't you give the boy a chance?
Quiet, Ma. Let me handle this. Well?
Is something bothering you?
I just want to know one thing.
What?
Are you in league with the Goldilocks?
Who?
Her!
I think I've got her wig.
Let me see it. This is it. This is the breakthrough we've been waiting for. Now we can leave the house without having to worry about her eating the porridge.
Or sleeping in the bed.
Or beating my high score at Tetris.
How can I ever repay you, son?
I'm sure I'll think of something.
He looks like he needs feeding up, Pa.
Sure thing, Ma. Give him a bowl of your special porridge.
Okay, Pa. Come with me. There you are.
Have a nice day, son.
I feel like Simon the Supergrass.